First earning a loot, earn worse words, you're a doofus.
The Afro villain is back!
Hi, my name is Afro. What's up, y'all? I am a literal, lyrical little nigga with a mirror full of peer, mirror share, interfered, clear middlemen, flowing active, combing out with the coke bag, cold back, flow chance, shows growing in advance, knowing the fast, blowing the past, flowing and going and knowing the dance, flowing and rolling and leaving it over the beat, the slow the dance.
Tokyo Monster.
Godzilla rockin', knockin', never stomping on the killer, marker on the somber, cocky villain with his rhyming scriptures, twist the picture, ripping, swiveling in the slither, in the image, killing off a minute, sipping with your mama in the office, kicking on the river, cinnamon bitches, dropping city zombies over the city, posting ovaries in them, stirring the soup. First verse, earning a loot, earn worse words, you're a doofus.
Sold out.
Roll full, roll town, roll pound, sure now, white, cheesy people like in full house, Mike, seeing evil, leaving bleeding, sheeple rolling down, even sleeping, dreaming of meeting the master, that tail. Grab attack, leader, rest, half-ass, beat a bet, matter of fact, I'm laughing and I'm stacking all the evidence. Let's begin it like this, the definition of a rap flow. I'ma represent it like this. Let's begin it like this, the definition of a rap flow. I'ma represent it like this. Medicine, eminent, feminine, sentimental with edges of leather metal, settled and vision. Listen to head, a minimum, let it a ribbon, a little bit, sitting a villain, a feeling a little bit, envy, in a bit, ending, with a heavy rhythm, sending to them and training, lazy, raising, amazing aces, the Asian faces, stay in lane in the rapists, caving late in the safe havens. Master is the hazardous, half magical, black kid stabbed in catapult, rap fashionable, I'm half of animals, last cannibalistic, aneurysm trapped in the mandible, rap and wisdom in a land of old. MC Rockin' taught me to grab the microphone and slap the mighty hoes or try to bite you from a snotty nose. I am on the word of savior, robbing all the virgin players, robbing urban betrayers to swerving lies. I'm in the urge for learning of the maker, serving a murderous rage, a Sherman and burning it with affirmative data, earning the wit, burning the matches. 16-year-old kid murdering burdens, asserting the damage. Motherfucker, you don't understand. Kick you in the head like all Ray did the Macklemore legend of the guy. Stop phasing out, avoid that annoying. Let's begin it like this, the definition of a rap flow. I'ma reinvent it like this. Let's begin it like this, the definition of a rap flow. I'ma reinvent it like this. Nigga, the roller, making niggas and know what about it. Sucking the second to put a gas on the man and making you run the best if you run in the track. Oh, that's something that I heard from the brain. Sap of the tame and chap of get them a tab the same as happened. The tame and tackle your frame in the batter, the same in the top of a vein like a phantom. I be walking through walls, talking a lot.